Peace world to my A-team, to my guardians of the cosmos, to those that have been physically unalive yet are still here in spirits. I woke up to the energy of the Jigsaw man. He was in my vision. Um, so someone out here is operating in the Jigsaw man energy. And if you nobody don't know who the Jigsaw man is, go watch the movies. Oh my gosh, what's the name of those movies? I forgot them. What is the name of the movie with the Jigsaw man? Um, oh my goodness. Are you freaking serious right now? What is it? I see it, but I don't see the name. This why my thing is, why are they keeping the name from me? I know these movies. I know the movies. I've seen them all with the Jigsaw man. And I'm and Jeeper Creepers is in my head. Jeepers Creepers, where you get those peepers. So if the Jeeper Creepers, so you got the Jeeper Creepers, you have the Jigsaw Bandit is in my energy. So there is some murdering on their mind. They got murder on their mind. Oh my goodness. Slime people. Young Thug. And the slime community in Atlanta. ATLians. The mayor of Atlanta. The city of Atlanta. The law enforcement polices that have retired, that went into retirement, but yet your name is still on the paperwork. You can run, but you cannot hide, is the message. You've been running, you thought you got away, you thought everything was clear, and you thought you was in the clear. However, the spirits are telling me that you're not in the clear, and this jag saw the jigsaw puzzle, Jeepers Creepers in my energy, and these two deities are riding the coat of